Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to continue exercise 1.3. Okay, in this problem we have only remaining two and third problem. Second problem and third problem is our remaining. That we are going to discuss. So you can take page number 23 in your textbook or the PDF which I have given you. Okay children? We are going to continue exercise 1.3. Okay, you can take page number 23 in your textbook or you can take your PDF file and you can take page number 23. In that exercise 1.3 you are going to take it. Okay. So first question, so you are going to deal with second question because first question in the previous session we have discussed. There also we have done the round off. Okay. Here also we are going to do the same thing. Okay. So for second question is, give a rough estimate. Okay, we have to give a rough estimate. Estimate means we are finding a calculation, that's all. So we are going to give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds. So if you round off to nearest hundreds of these values and if you add it, you will get a rough estimate. Then and find a closer estimate. If you round off these numbers to nearest tens and if you add it, you will get a closer estimate. Okay, first what I am going to find is rough estimate. I am going to find it. Okay, rough estimate. So for rough estimate, what we have to do? We have to round off nearest hundreds. Okay, so all these numbers we are going to round off to nearest hundred. So 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Now I am going to round off all these numbers to nearest hundreds and then I am going to add it. Okay, always we should do the round off first and we have to add or subtract based upon the question. So rough estimate means round off to nearest hundreds. Okay, so here ones, tens, hundreds. So I am going to round off this value. Ones, tens, hundreds. So I am going to round off this. So where you will check? You will check the tens place. So tens place is 3. So 3 means no changes in the number. So how you will write it? 4 then 0 0. Okay, plus now I am going to round off this to nearest hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So I am going to round off this 3. Now I am going to check this tens place. Tens place is also 3. So no changes in this 3. So I am writing 3 as such. Then 0 0. Plus. Next. I am going to round off this numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So which you are going to round off? 100 place. So 100 place is 3. So which you will see? You will see tens place. So tens place is 1. So no changes in the equation. So how you will write? 4, 3 as such, then 0 0. Okay, these are the round off value for this numbers. That to round off to nearest hundreds we are doing because we are going to find the rough estimate. Okay, now what? After finding the round off of all the values, you are going to add it. Okay, 400 plus 300, 700. 700 plus 4300, 5000. Listen 1 minute, you can add and see. 400, 300, 4300. Right? These three I am going to add it now. 0, 0, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 1, 5000. So, my answer is 5000 which is my rough estimate. Okay, which is my rough estimate. Okay, now I have just find round off to nearest thousands for every number. Then I have added and I have found out. Next is closer estimate. So closer estimate, where you will round off? You will round off to nearest tens. Okay, but for closer estimate what you will do? You will round off to nearest tens. So I am going to write this number 439 plus 334 plus 4317. So I am going to round off it now. Listen. Ones, tens, hundreds. So which you are going to round off? Tens place. So where you will check? You will check the ones place. So ones place is what? 9. So you will add 1 to this 3. So what you will get? 440. Right? Is it correct? 3 plus 1, 4. So 0 here. Next step. I am going to round off this ones, tens, hundreds. So I am going to round off this tens place. So I will check this ones place. So ones is 4. So no changes here. So 330. 0 will come here. 3 as such. Plus ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So which you are going to round off? Tens place. So what you will see? You will see the ones place. Ones place is 7. So you will add 1 to this 1. So 4 you will write as such, 3 as such, 1 plus 1, 2, 0. Okay, now you got the round off value of all these 3 numbers. Next what you should do? You should add all those things. Now I am going to add it. Listen. 440, 330, next 4320. Now I am going to add 0, 7, 9, 7, 10, 1, 5. So answer is 5090. So which is my closer estimate. So you can see the difference between the rough estimate and your closer estimate. Rough estimate is 5000 is my answer. Closure estimate is 5090 is my answer. Understood? This is your B question. Here also we are going to find rough estimate and closure estimate. Okay. So first is our rough estimate. Okay. So rough estimate means what you will do? You will round off to nearest hundreds. Okay. Rough estimate means hundreds. So now 1,08,734 minus 47,599. This you are going to round off to nearest hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So which you are going to round off? 100 place. What you have to see now? 3. Which means tens place you have to check. 3 means no changes. So how you will write? 108, 7 as such, 0, 0 because no changes, so I will put 0, 0. Okay, did you understand how I have rounded off? Minus, now I am going to round off that one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now which we have to round off? 100. So which you will see? Tens place. Tens place is 9. So what you will do? You will add 1 to the 100 place. So 4 as such, 7 as such, 5 plus 1, 6, 0, 0. Understood how I have written it? Now what you should do? After round offing, what now we have to subtract these two. So 1,08,700 minus 47,600. Is it correct? Okay. Now we have to subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 7 minus 1, 1, 8 minus 7, 1. Now 10 minus, going to borrow it, 10 minus 4, 6. So my answer is 61,100, which is my rough estimate. Okay, 61,100 is my rough estimate. Okay, next, by my closure estimate. Closure estimate. Okay, for closure estimate, what you will do? You will find you will round off nearest tens. Okay, for this number I am going to round off nearest tens. 1,08,734 minus 47,599. So which you are going to round off it? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So which you are going to round off? Tens place. So which you will see? You will see the ones place. So ones place is what here? 4. So no changes. 1,08,700, 7 assets, 3 assets, then 0. Understood? Because here no changes, so I am putting 0. Minus ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Which you are going to round off? 9. So you will see ones place. So you will plus 1 here because it is 9. 9 means 1 plus 1 in the tens place. So 4 assets, 7 assets, 5. So it is 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 here it will come. So 6. Listen 1 minute. 0 here. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0. I will borrow that 1. So 1 plus 5, 6. So this is my round off value. Did you understand? 0 I will write here. 9 plus 1, 10, 0. 1 will go up. 5 plus 1, 6. So this is my round off value. Now I am going to subtract these two round off values. 1,08,730. Right? 1,08,730 minus 47,600. 0, 3, 1, 1, 6. So what is my answer? 61,130 is my closure estimate. See, listen, difference between this rough estimate and closure estimate. Rough estimate is 61,100. Closure estimate is 61,130. Understood? Your C question. In C question also, first I am going to do the rough estimate. Rough estimate means nearest hundreds. Okay. Now 8325 minus 491. Okay. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. I am going to round off it. So which you will round off? 100 place. So you will see tens place. What is my tens place? 2. So what you will do here? 3 assets. 8 assets. 3 assets. 0, 0. Minus ones, tens, hundreds. So you will this you will round off. So we will see tens place. Tens place is 9. 9 means here plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5, 0, 0. After this digits and all you will put 0. So now what you are going to do? You are going to subtract these two. 8,300 and 500. Okay, did you understand how these two comes? By round offing this value and this value. So I am going to subtract. After round offing only you should subtract it. 0, 0. Now I am going to borrow it. 7, 1. Now I will get 8. Okay. So this my answer is 8. Next 7. So what is my rough estimate? 7,800 is my rough estimate. Okay. Next what is my closure estimate? That you are going to find it. Closure estimate is, you are going to round off to nearest tens. 8,325 minus 491. So first I am going to round off this ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So which you are going to round off? 2. I am going to check 5. So 5 is more than or equal to 5. So 2 plus 1. So 8 assets, 3 assets, 2 plus 1, 3, 0. Understood? 2 plus 1, 3, 0. Minus ones, tens, hundreds. So going to round off tens place, you have to check ones place. Ones place is 1. So what you will do? 4 assets, 9 also assets, after that 0. Did you understand how this round off comes? Next, 8,330 minus 4,090. Now we are going to subtract these two. Okay? 0. Now I am going to borrow it. 2, 13. 13 minus 9, 4. Next, I am going to round off this 7, 1. 12 minus 4, 8. Then 7. So what is my answer? 7,840 is my closure estimate. So you can see the difference between 7,800 and 7,840. So your D question is your homework. The same way you have to do this also. You have to find the rough estimate and your closure estimate. Understood? Next is your third question. For this also you should refer page number 23, children. Estimate the following products using general rule. Do you remember the first question? In that what they have given, estimate each of the following using general rule. In that what we have done, we have we made round off to two numbers and we have added or subtracted. Here also we are going to do the same, but the condition is we have to do the product. That's all. We are going to round off this value, then doing the product. Okay, so first I am going to round. And here, see, listen, this is also a 3-digit number. This is also a 3-digit number. So, can we round off both the values to nearest hundreds? You can do nearest tens also, no problem. But I am doing here as nearest hundreds. Okay, so I am round off to nearest hundreds. You can do nearest tens also, no problem, children. Okay, You will say, ma'am, this answer is wrong, and that answer, no. If you're writing in nearest hundreds, your answer will be different. If you do with nearest tens, your answer will be different. That is the difference, okay? No other thing. Now, 578, I'm going to round off, and 161, I'm going to round off. Okay? Now, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. So, what you are going to round off? 100 place. So, where you will check? Ones place. Ones place is what value? 7. 7 means you will add 1 to this 100 place. So 5 plus 1, 6, 0, 0. Clear? 5 plus 1, 6, 0, 0. Now, ones, tens, hundreds. So which you are going to round off? Ones. So you will check tens place. Tens place is more than 5. So plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 0. Clear? 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 0. Now you should multiply these two. 600 into 200. What is my answer? 6 2s are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. Okay? 6 2s are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my estimation using general rule. So both I have done nearest hundreds. You can do nearest tens also. After nearest tens you are doing, you can multiply and write the answer. Understood? B sum is also the same thing. Okay? Just we are going to round off like common thing. Here this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. So 4 digit number means both I am round off into nearest thousands. Or you can round off to nearest hundreds also. Or you can round off to nearest tens also. No problem. Okay? But here I am doing round off to nearest thousands. Okay? So first round off to nearest thousands. Okay? So first I am going to round off these two values. 5281. Then 3491. Okay? I am going to round off these two separately. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So which I am going to round off? I am going to round off 1000 place. So which place you will see? 100 place. 100 place is what? 2. 2 means less than 5. So no changes here. So 5 as such. After that 0, 0, 0. Okay, 5 as such 0, 0, 0. Next, I am going to round off this ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. So which you are going to round off? 1000. So which you will see? Hundreds. Hundreds is what value? 4. So what you will do? You will write this number as such. So 3 as such 0, 0, 0. Now did you got the round off value for both the answers? Now what you should do? You should multiply this round off values. 5000 into 3000. So 5000 into 3000. 5 into 15. 5 into 3. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my rough or this is my estimation using general rule. Then listen, C and D is your homework question. Okay, so listen here, they have given estimate using general rule. So we are doing 1 rule based upon our question. But in exam they will give you to round off which type, like rough estimate and closure estimate we have done. No, in that what they have itself said, to find a rough estimate you should do nearest hundreds. To find the closure estimate you have to do nearest tens. Like that they will mention. So if they mention you should do based upon that and you have to solve it. Here they didn't give, that's why we are doing round off to nearest 1000 and we are finding the answer. Okay. Today's session we have discussed second problem and third problem, and I have given few problems related to that as homework. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.